Okay, great scholars. Let us deal with circumference of a circle today. In the previous class, we discussed a brief history about the pi, and I said that Archimedes of Syracuse was formerly credited with discovering of the pi. That was far back in 240 BC, and I said from his estimation that his pi lies between 30 number 1 over 7 and 30 number 10 over 71. I also said we also have a brilliant scholar, a Chinese scholar, who also came up with his own estimation, Zhu Zhongzi. He said his own estimation of pi is 355 over 113. From that calculation, you see that Zhu and Archimedes are close related values to the ones you know. Then I also said that the sign pi for pi is a Greek symbol, and it was fully in use. That symbol was fully in use in the 17th centuries. It was introduced by William Jones in 1706. And I said Leonard Euler also adopted that symbol. That was in 1737 in his work, and he also used the same symbol. Then I also mentioned people like Liu Yu of China, and also Aryabhata of India, who also have worked in the idea or the concept of pi before even the Greek started writing books or writing articles about pi. And we came up with the formula for circumference of a circle. I also mentioned to you in that class, if I remember properly, I said the man that was able to calculate the circumference of the earth accurately, his name was Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes was able to calculate the circumference of the earth accurately, and from his calculation, the circumference of the earth is 40,008 kilometers. Now, the radius of the earth by approximation is 6,371 kilometers. The radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. If you know that, if the radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers, then if you can as well apply that in your own concept by finding the circumference of the earth. You can calculate the circumference of the earth, knowing that the formula is C is equal to 2 pi r. Now I've given the radius of the earth as 6,371 kilometers. If you put this in your formula, you're going to have 2 times pi. The constant value for pi is 3.14 times 6,371. If you work out this by approximation, you come back to Eratosthenes' conclusion that says the circumference of the earth is 40,080 kilometers. You have this result. Now, we want to use this in solving some problems in mathematics, circumference of the earth. Let us apply this idea now to that of a circle. This is a circle. You want to find, remember, we've dealt with the Lord Euclidean circle. A circle has a center, the point. Now, you'll be given a radius. That is it. If what you have is 4, for example, what you have is 4. And you're asked to calculate the circumference of this circle. State the formula, solution. State the formula. The formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. What I gave to you in the previous class, I gave you two formulas. One is 2 pi r, and the other one is pi d. The other one is pi d. Pi d. If you're given diameter straight and you're asked to find the circumference of the circle, you use this formula. If what you're given is radius, use this formula. In this circle given to us now, what we have is radius. So I want to find the circumference of this circle. I'll be having C is equal to 2 times pi times 4. Note this, that you can use the fractional pi, which is 22 over 7. Remember, Archimedes said his pi lies between 30 number 1 over 7 and 30 number 10 over 71. If you multiply this fraction, 21 plus 1, that will give you 22 over 7. That is pi, or 3.14. So if you're using this value, fractional form of pi, to replace this, you will still have the same answer. If you're using the decimal form of pi, you still have the same answer. But let us use this. You have C is equal to 2 times 22 over 7 times 4. This is what we have. There's no common values here to divide. So my answer will simply be 2 times this is 44. 44 times 4. Let's multiply that quickly. 44 times 4. This will be 16 carry 1. That will be 176. So our answer is 176 over 7. Over 7. As this is centimeter, please. Over 7 centimeter. That is the circumference. That is the circumference. 176 over 7 centimeter. If you're using the 3.14, you carefully go with your multiplication, you will get your answer correctly. Now, if you're given a diameter to deal with directly, as it is a circle, and what I'm giving to deal with is 7 centimeter, and I'm asked to find the circumference of this circle that has a diameter of 7. I will simply state my formula as C is equal to D pi D. That is the formula I'll be using now. And my circumference will simply be 22 over 7 times 7. 22 over 7 times 7 over 1. This cancels this, and your answer becomes 22 centimeters. So the circumference of this circle is 22 centimeters. Now you do this yourself. Do the following. Do the following. If the radius is A, 5 centimeter, B, the radius is 21 centimeter. Calculate the circumference of the circle that has a radius of 5 centimeter and that of 21 centimeter. It means you'll be using the first formula, which is C is equal to 2 pi r, which is the circumference of a circle. Because what I gave to you is radius A 5, B 21. So carefully go through your work and ensure you get the correct answer. Then forward your answers to me. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.